Welcome to Woodland Power Products. In this short video, we'll walk you through how to properly fold your collector bag for storage. First, you're going to open the rear collector doors and pin the two side doors and upper flap in place with the Velcro strips. Now remove the top brace, or the roof rack carrier if you have one, and place it inside the bag. While you're there, lift the lower flap and tuck it into the inside of the collector bag. Now go to the front of the bag and disconnect the exit chute from the neck of the bag. And if you would like, you can remove the exit chute from the blower unit and set it aside. Once that's done, starting at either side, release one side link by sliding the slider bracket up and then pulling the link's elbow so it points to the outside of the frame. When the first side starts to fold, pull the bag collar out of the way and push the aluminum side tube all the way down until it lies completely flat on the frame. Release the other side link and again pull the elbow toward the outside of the frame. Fold the second side tube all the way down. Keep in mind, you may need to adjust the bag collar so that it lies flat inside both sides of the collector as you push the second side down. Last but not least, secure the side tubes to the frame with a green shock cord so everything stays in place.